Hello everyone, this is Dhir and welcome back to my channel, the High Tech Creator. Guys, you can see here this is the new glass. Can you identify what kind of this glass? So guys, I am going to unboxing and review this spy camera glass. So guys, let's watch the full video. You can see guys, this parcel is from Amazon. I am going to unboxing the spy camera. HD 1080p Eyewear video camcorder. You can see USB TF card slot, 32 GB up to 32 GB and memory support. Full HD. You can record up to 1 hour 30 minutes. 32 GB tape card memory, 32 GB lens, full HD 1920 into 1080p, 30 fps, 1.5 hours. Now, wow, so nice. This is the data cable for transfer the video to your PC. I will charge the spy camera. After full charge, I will show you how to record and capture the video. Oh, you can see guys, the spy camera is charging. So guys, now I will show you how to insert the memory card. This is the memory card, SD card, 16 GB, but this camera is support up to 32 GB. This is the memory card slot. Insert in this way guys. You can see now, and this is the power button. Press the 3 seconds. Power is on. Now press 3 seconds. Recording is start. Now guys, the camera is recording. This is the lens. Now guys, I will share video the quality of the video. You can see guys, this is the video quality. How to record the video, I will show you now. This is the memory card slot, maximum 32 GB support, and this is the USB for transfer data and charging the camera, and this is the power button. Press 2 seconds. You can see power on, and then press 3 seconds for capturing the video. You can see the light is blinking. Now the camera is start to record. the video, and here is the lens, camera lens. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.